Guruji, Namaskar. We have a resounding questions among our audience who are eagerly waiting to know what is this pandemic. We have seen the first wave, currently we are seeing the second wave, and there are voices who say there will be a third wave. With this unending number of waves of the pandemic that is coming through, and all the deaths that we are seeing, and all the national economy and infrastructure that is simply crumbling before our eyes, what is the message you want everybody else to carry in their hearts? What do you want them to see to their future?
Are you feeling anxious about the return to normal after a year of pandemic living? You must know the COVID-19 pandemic has had a major effect on our lives. Many of us are facing challenges that can be stressful and cause strong emotions in adults and children. I will say that this is not COVID-19 pandemic. This is rather fear pandemic. People die of fear, not because of COVID-19. You just imagine when people get to know about the COVID positive reports, then the entire neuron systems get kind of a difficulties in their mind and body. They're not able to manage the feelings of fear. They become anger, they become sadness, they become worry numbers or frustrations. These makes them a fear pandemic and they die. So this is what I want to say, that you need not have to think about worsening of mental conditions. You have to think positively how you can go through this pandemic, which can bring forthly deep rooted out of fears and modify human behaviors. If you do not modify your behaviors of fears, definitely this is pandemic for you. But I will rather say this is not pandemic, this is fear pandemic. I have seen many patients who have been calling me as a guru, taking my blessings. What I say, don't worry, you will be all right. You need not require oxygen in the body. You get isolated in your own home and get treatment of the COVID medicines, whichever the doctor prescribes. And they get cured without any panic. But nowadays the hospitals makes them panicky with the fear that you are complicated. This is how people die. This is how people get diseases. This is how the people think about the diseases. It's COVID-19. Our media, our newspapers, whenever you open up, it's only COVID-19 or negative reports. When you think of negative things in your mind, definitely it is going to harm your body and mind. So my suggestion is that today, despite the development of antimicrobial drugs, infectious diseases and germs continues to generate fear. So emotions and greed to be controlled. Then only you can come out of this pandemic and you can return to normal after you can say COVID-19 or whatever kind of infectious mutation 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever people say about this. Keep your mind, body free from all these tensions, all these fears. Don't test yourself. Get yourself cured. What kind of medicines you get for fear, for fever, for you kind of infections, for kind of a cough, cold, you will be all right soon. Don't depend upon hospitals. Depend upon your own home. That is the best hospitals you can have, and you can return back to your normal life without having any infections. I think this may be a message for you and the audience who are watching me today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel Positive Living and share as much as you can. Thank you very much. Namaskar.